canola oil. Neighbors gonna think of frying french fries. She's a little warm after doing 8 spikes. But they are the black spike double twist with the 5-inch long spike. And then inside we have, or over here, just rinsed it off, the single twist black spike without any length to it, just a single spike. All nicely washed off after going through the oil and cooled down, and ready for Buddy to mount them. Fuck yeah. Fuck, we could almost throw in some fries. Steel flavored fries. Keep the iron up in your body. Enjoy your weekend, fuckers.